Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name's Paul Bowden from Jap-Auto-Agent, and we've got a lovely vehicle here to offer. And at the moment though, we've got a small number of Suzuki Jimnys, but this particular one is a 2025 Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5 litre petrol manual, which makes this vehicle a little rare, because in Japan, out of 75 automatics, you're only going to see one manual. So if somebody comes along to me asking for a particular colour, it starts becoming mission impossible. I say to my customers, you'll have to be patient and wait while one arrives into the auctions. So this particular vehicle comes with front fog lights, factory standard alloy wheels, privacy glass, 6 airbags, ABS, traction control, idle stop start function, pre-crash braking, so it'll apply the vehicle will apply the brakes itself, lanes protection, parking sensors, LED headlights. Those headlights are brilliant, they're very good. And it's also got headlight washers, cruise control, climate control, heated front seats, and a leather-bound steering wheel. It's got the spare keys, comes with 2 keys, and they, as I say, they're proximity keys. You'll notice there's a button on the door there. You can just see it, a black button that you can use to open and unlock, or unlock and lock the car. You don't need to get the key out to do that, as long as the key is present within the proximity of the car. So I provide the opportunity for individual customers to appoint me as their agent. I work for a fixed commission, and I provide my customers the opportunity to buy cars like this and personally import the car direct from Japan into the UK, get it registered. I stay beside my customers all the way through to registration at the DVLA to give assistance, that is. So my customers, I estimate, on a vehicle such as this will save anything up to £8,000. That's £8,000 saving on the UK retail value, the retail price. So if anybody is interested in this vehicle, or maybe another vehicle, or any type of vehicle, if it's a vehicle that's in those auctions in Japan, I can supply it. It's as simple as that. But you'll see that this particular vehicle has got quite a high spec, and I actually like them in black. I think they look particularly good. But I work as an appointed agent, so all my clients, all my customers have to appoint me as their agent, and in doing so they agree to pay me my commission, and the prices quoted include my commission. So I believe this car's going to land into the UK on the road at something in the region of 21,900, just under £22,000. So if you've any more questions, feel free to call, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions and go through the process. It might sound complicated, but it's the same process that every UK import dealer who brings cars in from Japan goes through. So there it is. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.